Dude, that looks crazy! Holy shit! What's going on, guys? It's me again. You guys wouldn't believe what I just fucking got. Oh my god, look at this! It looks sweet! So, I'm gonna keep the numbers to myself, but it's pretty big. It's big enough. Anyways, I just wanted to make a quick update video on Phoenix. So, subframe, all welded. So as you guys can see, obviously I'm gonna make now the battery brackets to hold the battery in place, but it has a place to sit, and I just need to make sure it doesn't go flying. Swing arm is almost welded. I just need to get more metal from the metal supermarket to finish it, then get it painted, get that painted. I finally got my turbo ready. So it's a bigger compressor housing, and basically it's a custom turbo. It's not one of those generic, it's not exactly custom. You can buy it as well, but it's not a Garrett, and it's from Spectrum Motorsports. My buddy Chris, he is helping me out with my turbo. He built my previous turbo and it worked really good, and we came up with a plan because I had some boost spike issues and few things that needed to be done. So we figured, let's make this turbo a little bit more efficient. Now that I'm going for 6s and I got more fuel, well, figured let's put, not exactly, well, it is a little bit, it's a little bit bigger turbo. Okay, it's the exhaust housing is exactly the same. The compressor is slightly bigger. The old one was 58.5, this is 61.5. And bigger compressor housing. So that is just gonna make more power at less boost, or make the turbo system just more efficient. Figured I got bigger valves, bigger cams, bigger this, bigger that. I'm setting up my bike to go 6s. Why wait that extra step? And I figured I'm just gonna max out my turbo. That's the spec. So for Pro Street, the limit is 61.5 millimeters, so we figured out we're gonna put a 61.5 millimeter turbo, and with the right, so this combo should be more than enough for my setup. So I don't want to go down the road and be like, shit, I needed a little bit more turbo. So this is gonna be more than enough, and the bike is gonna be light enough, and it's gonna be cleaner, and I can just smell it. I can just smell the 6s from here. It just smells great. Anyways, I'm very happy with Chris's work. As you guys see, this is his turbo. He built for me, custom. It is a ceramic double ball bearing turbo. He has his custom center. It's basically a Garrett turbo with newer technology and a little bit modified trims. I'm gonna post his website down in the description, so if you guys want to look more into it, if you guys want your own turbo, Chris is a great guy. He will help you out. Just tell him what you have and what you want, and he will basically find the right perfect turbo for your setup. I've used them on most of my builds in here at the shop. Mark's Auto Performance. I use a lot of his turbos here at the shop, and they work really good. I've had it on the Chaser and the Civic, and I can't even think of how many turbos I got from this guy, and I've never been more happy with his service. He's just a great guy, and his work is top notch. Honestly, like, his work just speaks on it by itself. Like, it's just great work. Like, look at this amazing turbo. Like, I just want to stare at it. I just want to sleep right here and look at this turbo all night, honestly. But anyways, so this is it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I've been doing. Next, well, tomorrow, I need to go get more metal for my swing arm, finish that, get the painters to finish welding, to finish painting it, Then I'm gonna start working on my fuel pump and the fuel system and the fuel tank. Then wiring, the fun stuff, and motor, and ready for the dyno. Seems like it's just a few things, but it's gonna take a while. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I will keep you guys updated. Please share and subscribe, and like if you can.